Hello guys, welcome back. Let's dive into a BTC and Ethereum chart. As usual, we'll do a multiple time frame analysis for both. And before we start, take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button. Starting from a daily time frame, under a daily time frame, as you remember, we had a trend change as soon as on the weekly time frame that I said we're going to close above 17,500, ideally $18,000, that we're going to see a trend change based on a higher time frame. However, based on a daily time frame, $19,200 and $500 were extremely important in order to break this level, either claim it as a support or clean breakout. As you can see, on the 13th of January, single candle breakout, and since then we started pumping all the way up to $25,000, and we had a minor pullback based on a daily time frame. And as a result, we had this rejection right from 0.618, the golden pocket. As soon as we broke $23,000, daily time frame went back under the bear's control, and as I said, still under the bull's control, but you have to manage your risk. And we had a V-shaped recovery. Then we went all the way up to $30,000 plus. And the $30,000, as you remember, that was our first and main important resistance level, followed by 32, 34,000, all the way up to $36,000 was important Fibonacci level. And we're still following the same price action. However, the daily time frame still under the bull's control, as long as we do not lose 23,700, 23,500. Ideally, this level, daily time frame, is heavily under the bear's control for now. So based on the daily time frame as well as the 4-hour time frame, this is an extremely important resistance level that we're rejecting so far, and you have to pay attention. After this dump, we had a fake pump based on a mid time frame, because lower time frame as well as the mid time frames are heavily under the bear's control that I'm going to cover in a minute, claiming this resistance, which is slightly problematic based on a lower time frame, as a support. The next target level, as I said, 31,000 followed by $32,000. However, rejection from here, we've got other Fibonacci level based on a mid time frame that you can see. Losing this level and losing that level, that will give us all the way up to, in the first place, $26,000, followed by $25,100 and $200. These are extremely important levels. So since the trend change based on a daily time frame, as you can see, we saw massive pump, 60 plus pump in the market with the current price action based on a daily time frame over 50%. As long as you manage your risk and play the level to level, and you are safe. Moving on with a neat analysis, Ethereum under a daily time frame heavily under the bull's control, and these are the recent trades that we took. Target number 1 followed by target number 2, and followed the last time, as I said, 2,100 is going to be another target level based on a mid and higher time frame. So we saw massive pump from the ETH as well. From the last video, as I said, this is the important Fibonacci level because 4-hour time frame heavily under the bear's control, and I was expecting highly likely that we're going to get a rejection right from here. And we saw massive yesterday, 8% dump in the market. So if you're doing leverage, you do the maths for yourself with the 5 and 10 times. This type of price action I'm still expecting. This is going to be a target number 1. We didn't reach the target number 1 yet, and then followed by 1,700, and this level is going to be target number 2, and followed by target number 3. And this is a very important level. 1,645 and 1,650 levels are going to be extremely important based on a mid and higher time frame for Ethereum. Also, I would like to show you the system that we're following. As you can see, perfectly, we got a rejection right from the 0.618 and a median line, which is a white line, smart money line, hard rejection. For the trend change, without breaking $2,000, $2,020, it's going to be early for us to talk about 2,100 all the way up to the target levels that I mentioned in the previous videos, $2,300 and $2,500. However, as I said, we're following the trend, and at the moment, ETH again struggling at around here. So this is the next target level, as I said, followed by the target number 2 is going to be 1,700. The next one is going to be 1,650, 1,645 is going to be the next. However, I'm not giving too much weight at this stage on this one. Once we're going to approach to this target level, that's going to be 1,755. I'll make another update. So from yesterday's dump, as I said, 618 and then further rejection. So far, 8%. As I said, we didn't reach the target yet. So if you're doing a leverage, you do the math with a 5 and 10 times. Before we move on, if you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. And one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. BTC on the 4-hour time frame. Based on a 4-hour time frame, our expectation was rejection right from here. However, we saw massive fake pump, and then it was a hard rejection right from the horizontal multiple time frame resistance plus 0.618, the golden pocket. So it was around this level. And also we had a confluence that I showed yesterday. We had a rejection right from the smart money line that if you're following me for some time. Exactly the rejection, as you can see, perfectly rejected. And at the moment, I'm keeping an eye on to this level, claiming above this level, as I said, 31,000 followed by $32,000 is going to be on the table. However, lower time frame and mid time frames are struggling at this stage. Take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button. I'm expecting rejection from here and then losing this level. Also, we're going to lose the red line, as you can see. And then the target number 1 is going to be 26,000 followed by all the way up to $25,100 and $200. So 1 hour as well as the 2 hour time frames are heavily under the base control. Keep an eye on to the support and resistance, play level to level, and we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next